Welcome to the ChargePilot Dashboard. We're glad to have you on board. Charging stations, found under Settings, is where you manage your charging station hardware. This section is available for both single-site and multi-site views. The table shows all charging stations you have access to, with columns for charging station ID, firmware version, charging point name, charging station type, last update status, timestamp of the last firmware update, number of charging points, site name, applied fallback, IP address, and billing system if applicable. You can search by station and use the rows per page drop down to control how many are shown at once. This is also a good place to confirm that all stations at your site are running on the same approved firmware version. If you notice that a station is running an outdated firmware version, you can update it directly from here. Click the Update Firmware button in the top right and follow the three-step flow. First, select the charging station type. Then choose the firmware version. It will be clear which version is the most recent. Finally, select the specific charging station IDs to update. Note that for this to work, the charger must support remote firmware updates. If you're unsure if your chargers support this, don't hesitate to reach out to us at na-support@mobilityhouse.com. Clicking into a station from the table opens the Charging Station Details panel, which has two tabs, Details and Logs. The Details tab shows key station information for reference and allows you to edit the name of each charging point on that station. This is the name that will appear throughout the dashboard, so giving it a clear location-based name like Lane 12 or Bay 4A, for example, makes it easy for your team to identify. The Logs tab is where you can request diagnostic logs directly from a charging station. Though again, this is only possible if supported by your charger model, it's useful for troubleshooting in collaboration with our support team. Click Request Logs to initiate the request. The table will show the file name, the date and time it was requested, the status, starting as requested and updating to successful once ready, and the date the log will be available until. Once successful, a download icon appears and you can save the log file locally.